Alright, yo. When life gives you lemons, make lemonade! It's called a flat tire on the fucking highway, yo. Like, what the? What? What the fuck? What the fuck? Alright, hey, just had to get that on my system. Quick tutorial on how to change your tire on the highway. You ever get bust out on the tire on the highway, nigga? Let me show you how to get it done, man. First thing you do, hey, don't mind my dirty trunk, man. Don't mind me. First thing you do, you get your spare, okay? All right, so you got your spare. You got your jack. I mean, your, whatever this joint's called. You got your little tool and then you got your key, man. Shit, niggas on the high. Shit, man. Shit. So you're gonna use your key, the special key for the special knob. See the difference between this one and this one? You feel me? Alright. Then, boom. Alright. What are the odds, bro? Alright. Mind you, it's so cold. But I'm him. Alright, so boom. Get your jack, alright? Line it up. Line it up. Then you got your tool. Then you gonna jack this motherfucker. And mind you, when you loosen all your bolts, don't take them out. Alright? Alright. Oh, hell no. This shit crazy. Oh. Ah. Alright, now that the tire's jacked up, you feel me? You don't gotta jack it up too high, but just enough, alright? Now you take off your bolts, alright? Alright. Took out my bolts, keep them in a safe, secure area. Do not lose any of them, alright? Alright, so boom. Now we're gonna take off the tire and put the replacement, alright? What the fuck? the fuck, bro? Sheesh! What, dude? We good though, man. Keep going, man. This shit ain't nothing, boy. Come on. You finished the job, man. This is crazy, yo. Alright, once you put the bolts back on, you lower the jack, alright? Don't tighten them super tight. Just make sure they secure. You're gonna lower the jack, and then once the car is down, that's when you lower. Alright. All good, we got the jack. Put it back in the trunk. Appreciate it. Get the job done, man. Sheesh. This shit crazy, nigga. Oh my god. 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 Ouchie, ouchie, ouch. Ouchies. Hey. Ouch! 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 Ah! Ouch! Ah, that's how you do it, baby. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. Thank you. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you. 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 Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Ah! Ah! Good, baby. We good.